Hello, I am Jazzy B, and I would like to do an unboxing of some items that I received from the Crayon Case. I just received them in the mail, and let's get right into it. And this is the packaging that it came in. Let's see, because there's so much hype about this. So let's see what it looks like. It's in the box, it's empty. So it came with a thank you card. The Crayon Case. It's finally okay to color outside the lines. And it is so nice. This is a nice card, you know, that came with the palette. Of course, this is the receipt. Oh my God. This is a big, big palette. This palette is huge. Oh my God, I have it. I finally have it. And it is big as my face. It is so big. And I just can't wait to use it. Let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, this is so pretty. Supa, you did that, girl. Yes. Yes, you did it. Okay, some more bubble wrapping. Oh yes, I'm loving it. Let's see what the colors look like inside, if they are as pigmented as they say. Oh my God, look. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. Do you see the colors? Look just like a box of crayons. And they have this big, huge mirror that goes with it. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, yeah. So let's see the colors. So this is the little film that came on top of the colors of it. So let's see these colors. They're so pretty. You have the blue, green, red, yellow, black, brown, orange, violet, baby blue, purple, pink, tan, magenta, silver, gold, deep plum, and lime green. Oh my God, this palette is like so dope, like so dope. So this is one of my items that I received from the Crayon Case. I'm so excited about that. And girls are like very upset because the item was selling out like so fast and they didn't get it. And so I was lucky to get one of. Okay, so that is that. So let's continue on to see what's in box number 2. Whoa, something fell. Okay. Oh, it's some writing inside of the box. Let's see what it says. Hard for me to get into the box. Let me use some scissors here. Okay, let's see. Oh, the box, the Crayon Case. Oh, that's dope. I like it. Okay. So, this is what we have here. This is the wrapping that came. Oh, okay. This is the eyebrow and blend brush here. It's like very small. I guess it's grippable when you get ready to do your brows. So that's one of the items. And I also, you cannot have a dope palette without brushes. So I did get 7 pencils. So I did get some brushes because like I said, you cannot have a dope palette with no brushes. Like, come on now, you gotta get the brushes to go with the palette. And when I tell you, they actually look like pencils. They look like pencils, and they have all the different eye brushes that you would need while doing your eyeshadows, and the 7 different brushes. So let's see how soft they are. Oh, they're soft. Baby. I'm ready to paint, baby. Yes, I'm feeling these brushes. Yeah, Supa, you did that, girl. Yes, I will be ordering some more brushes and some more products from you because I'm satisfied. And they really do look like a pencil. And they all says the Crayon Case on them. Yeah, so they all says that on them. And they all look like pencils. And these are the brushes. And that's all I ordered. So thank you for watching. Please thumb up and subscribe. And Supa, thank you, baby. I appreciate my products.